Yeah, what the girl scream and say.
What she say?
She call me daddy, papi. She even said Jelani. She whisper in my ear, son, tell me never tell nobody. Me no care for your man, come on now, be a bad smarty. Plus she is a real bad girl. After we smoke a little weed and
reaction.
Oh, what's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Back in front for you guys. Now today we have a song called, what is this called? Diosa. I can't pronounce it good. But Young Jen, big up yourself, you know, bro, guys. This is one of the baddest upcoming artists out of Trinidad right now, people. I mean, the dog body, dog very brawling, brutal. You understand me? So, more to go subscribe to the dog Beaver channel. It's going to be down below in the description of this video and also pinned in the comment section. The reaction boss approved. But guess what? We're going to make improve in point for himself. If you understand me, so reaction to the song, leave a like on this video, comment to see your comment right here. So in the next video that I post, and be sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. We're trying to reach 10k on there, so go follow me. Young Jen, what's the work going right now? Hey Puns, entertainment, your glass no bad like my one. No day, no time, no hour. Go on! Oh.
yeah.
What's on there? So what does Diosa mean? What does that mean? Or Diosa, what does that mean? I don't know what that means. I will now look it up, you know. Why you tell me down below in the comment section. But she thick as she me see. Anyways, go on.
Young Jen Production.
Alright then.
Diosa like it when me grab it and me tap it from back. She said me give her pleasure and enough comfort. So she never like a man because he full on top chat. That's why she call me every night.
Ooh. I feel like taking off the darkers because I want to see what my eyes are seeing perfectly right here. Ladies, don't get wet. Me know the ear kind of on fleek, you know. Bolano, man. What? You know that? Remember that Smurf argument that we used to go on? Fat Smurf. Go on.
She come back, so she like it when me pon the ground and we a rough play. She tell me she pictures and push the cock inside there. When me squeeze her by her neck, she coulda never run away. Yeah, what the girls.
When she tell her to do that, you know, brother, it have a whole different meaning behind it, you know, that. A she tell her to do it, you know, Young Jen. If a she tell her to do it, you know, brother, it have a whole. You see how she thick, and she tell you to do that. Brother.
Hey man say, she call me daddy, papi. She even said Jelani. She whisper in my ear, son, tell me never tell nobody. Me no care for your man, come on now, be a bad smarty. So she is a real bad girl. After we smoke a little weed, I wanna start a foreplay. She bounce on the body, tell me baby don't break.
Hear that, all and I hear that, you know. After them smoke a lot of weed, you know, then we start on the foreplay, you know, say a time for do the maths right now. They're building up to the mathematics equation right now, you know. You see me? My build up for do the maths, you know. You see me? I say, as that's called, you know, subtraction, you know. So you don't know, say the maths are gonna start. Let's chat things. Deal with it, Young Jen.
Plus she is a real bad girl. She tell me go down on the floor, then she back it up some more. Then me jack it up, she cock it up, you swabby pants up. She love when I play, down inside it. Enough man not try, but them can't get no taste. Every night when she call me no answer, she a cuss. Be a message from the WhatsApp, she a force. Like and say, girl you know the thing tough. That's why she call me every night to get the thing. Diosa like it when me grab it and me tap it from back.
No, when I'm me wanna enjoy that song, dog, I wanna enjoy that song with me, people. If you all enjoying this song with me right now, want some fire emojis down below in the comment section right now. What is this? Want some fire emojis right now down below in the comment section. You see me, I say spam the fire emoji, spam them. You know, say that they go to comment in a dog. You know, say that they go to comment. Alright, run tune.
Pleasure and enough comfort. So she never like a man because he full on top chat. That's why she call me every night after she come back. So she like it when me pon the ground and we a rough play. She tell me she pictures and
I don't know me that for do this, dog, but our thickness is different. So all we are gonna do is we're gonna look on her in the mirror there behind her. Watch us now.
come back. So she like it when me pon the ground and we.
Now look on the mirror behind her that. You see when certain things go on in the video them and the editor them I edit the video. You know if you know so me I go watch the video and I'm gonna see what's going on. Alright now, I see what's going on.
She tell me she pictures and push the cock inside me. When me squeeze her by her neck, she coulda never run away. Hear what the girl scream and say.
What she say?
Call me daddy, papi. She even said Jelani. She whisper in my ear, son tell me never tell nobody. Me no care for your man, come on now, be a bad smarty. So she is a real bad girl. After we smoke a little weed, I wanna start a foreplay. She bounce on the body, tell me baby don't break.
That thickness is up on a different level. Like, that thickness is not normal. What kind of thickness that? How you describe that thickness there? That thickness is up on a different level. That go on.
Plus she is a real bad girl. She send me big pussy up me call a cocky criminal. When me come with the body say it never minimal. When she call for the cup me at the foot sponge the dials. When me love up this sweet bad pretty girl.
I like her. You see me, as you can see, you see me, I'm pretty hard. You see me, I say, but I want to hold on to go check out Young Jen again. You see me, I say, go check out the music and make him say the reaction boss, you know, but there's some people. You see me, I say, Young Jen, you understand me? Produced by Jen Production, you know what I mean? So, big up on yourself, go check out Young Jen again. Make him know say the reaction boss, you know, but this will leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe to my other channel called Tyrekevlogs. We're trying to reach 10k subscribers over there, so I'm for the upcoming weeks, I'm gonna be posting most of my videos over there. So I'm informing you guys from this video. You understand me? So yeah, I'm gonna be posting most of my videos on that channel because I want to reach 10k subscribers on that channel also. So you know it's the reaction boss signing. And I'm gonna talk to people. Clean up the ear. Since for the clash thing you see going on the channel, it is for entertainment purposes only. You understand me? So no nobody will kick off super hype door. You see me? I say it's for entertain only dog, you see me? So I'm going to mess with my song too at the same time. You understand? I want to see if I want to like the music, I get a good. So most of the comments are good, most of them I like it. So I just for more song for you see me? I say, yeah, my relation boss. Really appreciate the love and the support from every last one of you guys. Thank you again. You don't know a chat. Reaction boss in the dark. I wouldn't make this possible and I don't even know how I go on in the youth. Hi there, girl. Peace.